Hey there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can create floating gift box offer booster. Okay, so before getting started, let me show you the example so that you can understand how this will actually works and what exactly this code snippet can do. Okay, so here in this page, okay, so you can see at the very bottom right corner there is a gift box floating and it's animating, right? So when we click on it, it will show an exclusive offer pop-up with the confetti. Okay, so let me reload the page again. You can see here is it. Okay, so this is how this floating button actually works. So if I go back and show you the preview again, so when someone visit your page, they will see the floating gift box like this, and once they click on it, then it will open the pop-up and it will show the celebration as well as the content you have, and once they click on the button, it will take them to your DCL link. Okay, so this is how you can actually create this type of floating button, okay, the gift box. So if you have any exclusive offer or anything into your website or funnel, then you can use this type of offer booster. Okay, so let me show you how it actually works and how we can configure this. Okay, so first of all, when you just logged into GHL Code Snippets library, then search floating offer booster and you will get this into the pop-up code snippets category. Okay, and then click here, get the code, and here you can do some configuration like it add your headline. Okay, so let me go back here again and show you. Okay, so here is the headline. Okay, you just need to change your headline as your requirement, and then here's the sub headline. Okay, so this sub headline actually accept the HTML formation. Like if you want to make your some point of text bolder, then you can also do this by using the strong tag like this. Okay, and then okay, and then here is the offer text. Okay, if you want to put the offer text, here it is, and then here's the countdown. Okay, so you can put everything here like this. Okay, let me put this information. Okay, like if I want to change, then I can do this. If I want to change the countdown timer minutes, okay, so this will actually the minutes, so how many minutes your offer will show. Okay, so like 30 minutes, 40 minutes, or whatever. Okay, it's up to you. And then here's the button text, and then the URL that will take your visitor to your DCL link. Like when someone click on this, then they will redirect to that specific link. So it can be your checkout page, or it can be anything based on your requirement. And after that, you can also change the button color. Okay, so in this example, you can see the button color is orange, and when we hover, then it change to blue. Okay, so if you want to change this button background color, you can also change here. Okay, and after that, as you already know, the GHL Code Snippets library now need to add your domain. Okay, so if you don't have the domain integrated yet, then just go to the domain tab and add your domain. And after that, once you added the domain, from this drop down menu you will see your domain that you already added, and select the domain where you want to install this code snippets. Okay, and just select the domain and instantly it will generate the code for you. Okay, so just copy this button and then go back to your GHL page builder. Okay, so in this example, here is the page where I want to install the code. Okay, so and then just get the HTML JavaScript code element from here. Okay, this one, and then open the code editor like this, and then just paste the code here. Okay, so here is it. So once you're done, then save it and then publish. Okay, so one more thing I want to mention here, if you click preview, then it will not actually works, because when we preview the page inside the GoHighLevel, then it actually open by default into their domain, otherwise your agency custom domain. So if that domain, it doesn't match with the domain that you selected here, then the code will not work. So to check, you always need to visit the URL that you actually used inside the GHL Code Snippets library. Okay, so let me do this. Okay, so now you can see here is our floating button. Okay, the gift box, once I click on it, it actually working just fine. Okay, so this is how you can create this type of floating gift box on your GoHighLevel page. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video. So thank you very much again for watching. Have a nice day.